Good morning, my fellow Aldi addict. It is Jackie, and I'm doing my weekly grocery shopping. I'm here at Aldi, and I'm going to be sharing with you my weekly meal plan. I absolutely love shopping at Aldi. It's my favorite grocery store, and I love sharing with you my meal plan, the things that I'm buying, what I'm seeing, in hopes that it inspires you and excites you to get into Aldi as well. This week, I'm super excited because my daughter texted me at night saying, "Mom, can I cook dinner this week?" And I really love when my girls want to be in the kitchen. My son likes to help a lot, but he can't do anything independently yet. Of course, I'll want him to cook dinner too, but I'll share with you a cute little texting thread that she sent me, and she's making penne noodles for dinner this week. And while it's not gourmet, I will totally appreciate the effort that she's putting in, and really it's like her favorite food. So I'm still using a lot of pantry ingredients, but let's get into the store and see what I'm getting this week. Well, my girls wanted these confetti cakes. They don't have chocolate chip either, so I guess I'm gonna get these. Blueberry muffins for the week at $1.99. Okay, so today is not my day. They don't have plain brioche, and I wanted it for French toast sticks. So, last week of school lunches, 2 strawberries at $2.95. $1.19 for potato chips for hot chicken salad that I'm taking to a friend. Mila also asked to make green beans, and she wanted fresh, so these are $1.59. I found brioche bread. I want vanilla almond milk, but they don't have it. Oh wait, yes they do. It's just lower, $1.79. I'm only getting a half gallon of $1. Needed Worcestershire sauce for Chex Mix, 99 cents. Olive oil mayonnaise for the hot chicken salad, $1.75. 43 cents for ranch for the hot chicken salad. $2.59 for cookies cereal. Plus, I caught them unloading brioche, so I got it for the $3.39. Very excited. Oh my gosh. So there's so much bike stuff. A bike horn. A bike bag. Okay, so it just attaches to the bike. But they have different accessories. Water bottles, bags. I don't know what that is for sure. Maybe a chain, the horn, flags, and a basket. Just a few of each. But I'm going to get that for my son for his birthday. $6.99. There are so many sandals here. Oh, so these ones are men's. I could probably get my size in a men's. There they have the adjustable cart. I have bought these before for my dad. They work really well. Here are the piñatas. I think my son would most like a dinosaur, but they're kind of smaller than I thought. And his birthday's not until September, so I'll think about it. But they are very cute. I mostly like the stick. Ramen bowls. Kids' shoes. Oh, there's the camping floor mat. That's kind of cool. Garden hats. $3.99 each for towel and oversized drying mat that I'm getting. I also like the potty training stuff. They're super cute. So they have like Minnie Mouse, Paw Patrol, Mickey Mouse, Disney princesses, Toy Story. They have matching stools. And then they have the toilet time books. Cactus. Oh, there it is. So these spotlight rocks I think are pretty cool. You can move the light to shine where you want it to, and there's a key compartment underneath. But I think these might be nice out by our pool. So I'll share them with my husband and come back if we want them. I'm still amazed how many balls Aldi has, but I actually really like these basketballs right here. Seems pretty nice. And tomato basil red sauce for meal with dinner, 85 cents, and 75 cents for penne noodles per request. I was hoping maybe my Aldi would have regular pepperonis since I saw them in my friend Leanne's Aldi haul on YouTube. She's simply enjoying life. but we still only have turkey. It's been months, so I'm not getting it. I'm going to get the center cut bacon this time. It's only 12 ounces and it's $4.49 for French toast sticks. I'm gonna get this in place of pepperoni. I need mild cheddar, so I'm getting $2.59 for this. I was super impressed with all the different popsicles, ice cream, fruit bars, chocolate covered bananas. They had so much to offer in the ice cream section, but I didn't get any this week. Nancy's cinnamon apple straws are 3 bags at $2.19 a piece. And I did get a toilet book for my friend. Okay, I did not have planned to getting this, but it's at checkout. They have blueberry bread. And I thought this might be good toast for the last few days of school. So I'm gonna grab that too. $3.99. Kind of a splurge. A small haul for the week. Trying to use up food at home. So I spent a total of $68, and the Aldi finds aisle definitely got me in trouble because I bought a number of things, and that kind of added up. The potty book, the drying mats, the dish towels, and the bike accessories. So even though I didn't get a ton of groceries, I still spent more than I expected I would, but I'm sure I'll enjoy my Aldi finds. Best part of my trip was when the lady walked out with brioche bread right after I thought my French toast was not going to happen. So I was very pumped that the brioche bread came through in the end. Now that I have the groceries, let's share the meal plan. So our meal plan for the week, we're having uni pizzas on Memorial Day. Don't forget to take a moment to pause on Memorial Day and think of and thank those who paid the ultimate price for our freedoms here. We're having French toast sticks with bacon. We still have stuff to make like quesadillas, and then we have frozen tamales, so it's going to be kind of a hodgepodge meal. Chips and salsa. Drunken noodles got moved from last week's meal plan to this week's. And then my daughter Mila is making penne, green beans, Italian bread, red sauce. And then I found shepherd's pie in the freezer that I forgot about, and I want to eat that before we're gone. And the night that I'm making the hot chicken salad for my friend, I will be making that for our family. So this is our meal plan for the week. If you're interested in seeing how I actually make the French toast sticks, you can check out this video right here. I share with you how I use all the brioche bread, eggs, and vanilla almond milk to make the best French toast sticks. My whole family loves them, and I bet I can make them every single week and no one would complain. Thank you so much for watching Chow Down and Chow.